Passport and the necessary visas prior to leaving the spaceport. Passengers requiring assistance should visit the nearest spaceport information kiosk. Thank you.
Jet Yves was Noric's D's double.
According to my scan, you have a colorful personality.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transports hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Not our part. Where are we going? We just passed the end of moon. Oh, look out! Got to fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you. What a ghastly place. Oh, go away, beastly thing. Go away! Out of center! The transmission.
I am Lando Calrissian with the Resistance.
General Calrissian. Nice to see a familiar face.
Well, it's good to see you too. And you too, R2. Listen, the First Order is rallying its forces. We need your help. The rendezvous with the coordinates I'm transmitting. Good luck.
R2, I really don't think we should rush it. This is suicide. We'll be smashed to pieces. In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done.
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
Did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been a honor.
SP-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight. Watch out! Thank the Maker.
Hey, that's my ship. We've got a lot of explaining to do.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.